Hello, welcome. I am Bertel. I'm Sales Director here at BELKI Technique, and I would like to show you a little bit about our product, Magnetic Band Filters. It is used primarily in grinding and cast iron machining applications, as well as washing fluids with ferritic particle contamination. The magnetic filter operates fully automatically and only has to be adjusted at startup. The magnetic filter is created by a layer of very powerful neodymium magnets, creating a large magnetic area which enables the magnetic filter to catch even very fine particles. Once the magnets are covered, the belt is indexed backwards and the particles are moved out of the media stream to be able to catch them in the sludge box at the rear. The advantage of the magnetic filter is that there is no consumables, and the power consumption is also very low because we are using permanent magnets, and we are able to filter particles which would be very expensive to filter with mechanical filters. Are you doing grinding or machining cast iron, or do you have other applications where magnetic filtrations could be relevant? Please contact us at belkifiltration.com.